Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Stalis Bokono Gardener. And my name is Eddie, and I'm gardening in zone 5B and or slash 6A. So this morning, it's kind of like a little bit chilly, about like 59 degrees, something like that. I know it's a fall. So, yeah, this time, for the first time, I will try to planting a bulb, a tulips, because in my life this is the first time, you know what I mean, because I never plant a bulb, anything, any bulb, because in the spring I just buy the tulip or daffodil or crocus, anything. So yeah, for the first time this year I'm gonna try planting a bulb. So I have one of them, they call them fritillaria, and one of them is tulips. So I love tulips. So yeah, I put them in my secret garden. As you can see, this is my secret garden. And also one thing about kind of like a fritillaria, they said it's deer resistant, but I don't trust them really much because the deer over here is kind of like brutal. They just eat everything. They even eat my daffodil. So that's the reason why I fence all my yard or my garden, what you call them, the, as you can see, like the flower bed, the trees and everything, because I already try how many years I try to spray. It never work, especially after the rain, you know what I mean, like so many of them got eaten by deer. So they're so brutal. They just hungry. They just eat anything. It's nothing is deer resistant. Deer wanted, they got them if you don't fence them. So that's why this one I just put them in my secret garden because it's already kind of like fenced. So yeah, so in this garden so many fall color. You know what I mean? Some of them already planting them maybe a month ago, some of them 3 weeks, almost every week I planting some of plant. I because I just cannot stop myself, cannot help myself not to buy a plant. It just make me happy, just do it, you know what I mean. So yeah, this fall color over here already planted probably like almost months ago is a sneeze sweet, and also coreopsis. As you can see, that coreopsis is kind of like orangey little bit, like a dark yellow, and the other side over there is kind of like a bright yellow. So that's my Korean giant Asian pear. And the last week I planted some of the new plant, which is hostas. I love hostas. And this one we call them Libby. It stay on sale, you know what I mean. It's nothing. I just cannot help myself to get them. So they call Libby. I bought two of them. It's kind of nice little. Then the reason I bought like a small pot is I love small pot because you watching them to grow, and also you can like just only digging small hole, you know what I mean. It just make it easy your life, make it easy my life. Another has this I forgot the name, like I forgot where I put the text. And this is, they call them pilgrim. Another Libby Astus. And again, I cannot resist to buy any more plant. I just buy them because they're so gorgeous, so beautiful. This is mini roses. I just got them in some of big store over here. It's kind of like grocery store, but it's kind of like cheap. And always mini roses is always coming back in my zone over here every year. That's why I love mini roses. There's another sneeze sweet, they call the mariachi. And yeah, so let's see. There's my Kojuro Asian pear. It's only 2 years. This is another fall flower. I just plant them, aster. There's I just planting them last week too. This is, they call them Sunday's pink. As you can see, they have so many flower, but it's ready to burst. Then another aster. I love aster, but the rabbit love them too, so that's why I have to spray them. This is kind of like a blue color. I used to have a pink one and a purple one, but the rabbit keep eating them. So if you have a rabbit, just spray them. It doesn't matter you fence your garden, they can dig them, they can go in. Then I just planting them last week too. Is some mums. This is my a fall color. It's kind of pretty between the pathway over there. So that's my rock garden over there. I didn't choose mom for pink color, yellow color, because I have so many yellow color, and also not even white, because I like a fall color, because we in the fall color, I mean the fall season already. That's, they call them Pinktopia roses. There's another one is a ruffle. They keep blooming, they blooming until frost. That's the reason why I love roses. Not only just pretty, but they always blooming until fall. Let's go over here. This is, they call them Sunday's rainbow. I can see why they call them rainbow, because the color of the flower. That's my Buddleia or butterfly bush. It's a pink color. This is the only pink color I have. I have a lot of kind of like a dark red, blue, purple. So there's Apollo. There's Apollo butterfly milkweed. That's the first one I have it. I have so many a pink one. They call them Cinderella, and they just receding all over the place. So yeah, I love milkweed butterfly bush. I mean butterfly weed, milkweed. So And one thing over here too, I just bought them. These are hostas. Look the contrasting. The leaf is just amazing. I love that contrasting. The color. This is, they call them, they already blooming. They call them angel fish. And the other one, they call them urban legend. And these hostas, they call them bee dazzlet. So I just tuck them over there again. Like, the reason I like to buy small plant with a small pot, because just easy to dig them, make my life easier. So yeah, so pretty. Hanky spanky hostas. I bought one pot and I choose the big one, of course. Then I divided 3 of them. So you pay only once and you got 3. This is, I just planting them few days ago. This is a blanket flower. I got them from my rock garden. I got so many baby. They're reseeding themselves, so that's a good thing. So you have a free plant. Let's see what I'm going to say to you, where I'm gonna put my bulb, which is tulips and fritillaria. So let me take, because I forgot, I put them away. That's, let me say to you, so what I planting them. That's, they call them fritillaria. So yeah, and they said it's a resistant, winter hardy, full sun or partial shade. And I got it from Walmart. See, $3.24. And you got 8. I bought 2 of them. And this is, let me see how hardy this one. They don't say how hardy this one. So yeah, another one I bought them from Walmart for $11.97. You got 20. It's a tulip crimson burst blend. See, as you can see, it's really good. Let me see how I put my tulip. And this one, my pots away. Over here I put them like a step like that one, because I like to put the ground cover between them, just like as you can see, that way I can put more plant. So this is what I gonna put my tulips. I have 20 of them, so I'm gonna put them like that. And this one I'm gonna put my fritillaria, taken like small bulb. This is my cinco pear, Asian pear. They have a lot of fruit. Okay, so I catch up with you for next time, and thank you for watching, and you have a nice day as you can. Bye bye.